Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's so pretty out here I just couldn't resist coming out and taking a look around. Figured I'd offer you up a little bit of a green fix while I sit here waiting for this next polar blast or Arctic freeze, or well, it's a cold front and it's headed this way. And currently our weather guessers are thinking that it's not going to make it all the way down here. I know my friend Peanut's fixing to get snowed on in a day or two. And things are going to be a lot different here tomorrow. They say we're going to have rain all day tomorrow, cooler temperatures. But currently it's looking like we'll only be down into the 40s. Yep, there's Rocky. She's out enjoying the sunshine. Everything else seems to be enjoying it too. Comfrey's doing good. I've been getting a lot of salads out of this romaine. A lot of snacks too. Mishihili Asian cabbage coming along nicely. That's gone into a few salads as well. And then the pak choi next to it. Still waiting on radishes. And I haven't seen any real carrots yet either. Garlic bed's doing nice. My other cabbages are starting to grow pretty well, though none of them are really forming heads. Plenty of basil still growing. A bunch more carrots looking good down here. I keep poking around the bottoms of them. So far they haven't been producing much in the line of roots. But they look healthy. Potatoes still doing good. The one I'm really waiting on, Praxis cherry. Still got a bunch of tomatoes on here. Quite a few blossoms. And down near this end, I got one that's finally starting to blush. So if the cold front stops before it gets here, I should have some tomatoes pretty soon. And actually I've already got a few of the garden peach in the house. I picked them ahead of the last cold front because they said that one might have killed them off. But hasn't happened yet. And right now at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's about 80 degrees here. Nice sunshine. Feels good. I had to come out here to get it because it's a lot warmer out here than it is in the house. Hi, Snowflake. And there's Licorice. We're all just enjoying this last warm spell before the front hits here. Next week is going to be kind of different. The rain's supposed to start sometime tomorrow. And it looks like we're going to have rain all week. And once in a while, the weather guessers are hinting that if things don't work out exactly the way they think they will, we could be having a little bit of a wintry mix in a couple of days. For now, pineapples are doing good. The avocado tree is doing good. Loquat over there. My Meyer lemon. And the Ponderosa lemon, which Rocky is guarding right now. That one's doing well too. Mulberry's looking good. The other avocado. And the sugar cane. Incidentally, I've got 7 more sugarcane sprouts in the lab that I need to move out here, but I'm going to wait and see what this weather's going to do before I bring it out and transplant it. It'll go through enough shock as it is. I don't want it to have to deal with cold at the same time. But this is what we've got in Central Florida right now. From what I'm seeing, most of the country is quite a bit colder than we are here. And I'm not trying to rub it in. I know people are going to be really cold the next week or so. Heck, even Peanut in southern Louisiana is looking at snow. I don't think we're going to get any snow down here. Could get a little bit of sleet if that front comes a little bit farther south than they're predicting. But I thought I'd share a little bit of a green fix with you, because I know most of the country is not seeing this kind of weather. This is why we live in Florida. And I'll see you next time.